Hello, this is Rebecca Metz with Web Pages That Sell, and today I am making a video for those of you who use MailChimp to send out your e-newsletters and your blog notifications. Now, I got a question from my longtime client Connie Hertz, of ConnieHertz.com, asking me about this beautiful e-newsletter from Cool Biz Magazine, The Upside, and asking me how they did it and can I help her do something similar. So I looked at it and I'm like, oh, this is so cool. I love this. And I would like a facelift on my e-newsletter too. So I thought, well, why don't I make a video for all of you who would like to do something as well and kind of show you how to do it. Now, I think it's a lot of fun to do, and I realize that makes me kind of geeky, but I hope you'll find it fun too. All right, now before we dive in, you'll want to have the following on hand. You will need a color picker that will identify the hexadecimal number of the colors that you want to use. Now, the one that I use is called ColorCop, and you can get it free from colorcop.net. And you may also want your logo and your maybe your picture. Also, you can have your graphic artist create a nice banner for you. The best dimensions for a MailChimp e-newsletter are 600 wide by 200 high. So to begin, we're going to go ahead and log in to our MailChimp dashboard, and we're going to go to templates. All right, I'm going to go ahead over here and click Create Template. And it'll give me a couple of options here. One color banded, one two column, one column. I think I'm going to go ahead and choose one column banded. I think that'll look kind of nice. So we'll hit select. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to add our image here. And I'm going to click Browse, and I will upload my banner that I created. This is just a basic banner. It's nothing special, but maybe later I'll do something a little bit more jazzy, but for now. And then what we're going to do is we're going to want to go into the colors. So over here on the right, you're going to see Design. And I'm going to start with Page, and I'm just going to work my way down through each of these sections. Okay? So I'm going to start with Page, and I'm going to start with the background. Now I want to take a look at this color. I'm going to use this green color and use this little eyedropper to get the number for that green color and copy. Now your graphic designer might have also already given you your hexadecimal numbers when they gave you your style code. So if they haven't, you can ask them for that. This is a quick and easy way to grab it. And hit paste and hit save. Nothing. Okay, we'll see what happens. All right. We're going to go through the other ones and just keep going through. I'm not sure why it didn't change. So I'm going to hit save. And I'm going to go to pre-header and hit paste. And there we go. So now we've got this top here. And header, I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm just going to work my way down. And so you can see it's making it all cool, and you can mix and match. You can make like these sections. Oops. You can make these sections different colors, whatever you want to do. You can just play around with it. All right. Now, what I want to do too is I kind of want to adjust the text as well so it matches my branding. So I'm going to grab my color picker again. And I'm going to figure out what this little gray color is and grab something that's similar, copy that, and I'm going to go through all of these, but now I'm going to hit text color. And at this point too, you know, maybe I want my heading to be white. Maybe I want it to be red. Let's see what that looks like. And I just know off the top of my head that it's F. There we go. So that can give you a little bit more of a defining look. Also, we can change the font. And I'm going to use trebuchet. They don't give you that many options, but I'm going to use trebuchet because I think that looks nice. And you can change the size and the weight and how it's aligned. Here, we'll make it center. And I want to make, I'm going to go ahead and hit save. I'm going to get that color again, that gray color. And I'm here at page, I think. Here we go. And paste. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through each of these sections and I'm going to adjust the text color as well as the font. And I think I already got this one. So the body, same thing. And as you can see, I'm just going through, changing the text color. Oops, I forgot to change the font, and I'm going to change the font. And so now it's starting to take shape. And so you just basically go through each of these items until you have the look that you want. And then we'll hit save and exit, and we're going to name this template. I'll just call 2016 eNewsletter. And save. And now it's there for me to use at any time. So when I go back, hopefully I didn't do that too quickly. When I go to create a campaign and select, it'll ask me what template. We'll just do test. When I go to the template section, it'll ask me which template I want to use. And I'm going to go to Saved Templates and choose 2016 eNewsletter. And ta-da! And I can get started from here. I hope that you found this helpful. My name is Rebecca Metz with Web Pages That Sell, and today we looked at create a branded e-newsletter template using MailChimp.